If you want a portfolio website but don't want to spend weeks building it, this video will show you how to create one quickly using modern AI tools. I'll be using Framer. Many beginners delay building a portfolio because they think it requires coding or complex web development. But today you can design websites visually using tools like Framer, Webflow, or Wix. The goal is simple. Show your best work clearly so clients understand what you can do. Step 1 is choosing a simple portfolio template. I'm using Framer's template gallery. I'll scroll through and find a clean, modern layout. This one looks perfect. I'll click to select it.
Step 2 is adding your best projects and explaining what you did. I'm using Notion to write my case studies. Then I'll upload the images into Framer to build my portfolio.
Step 3 is designing a simple homepage that introduces who you are. We'll use Figma for this. Let's start with the hero section. Add your name and a call to action button. This creates a strong first impression. Step 4 is creating visuals or thumbnails for your projects using design tools. Tools like Canva, Midjourney, and Dolly make this easy. Let's see how that looks on the screen. Step 5 is publishing your portfolio and sharing it with clients. Click the Publish button here in Framer. A success message confirms it's live and ready to share. In just a short time, you can have a professional portfolio ready to show clients. The first step is to build your profile on LinkedIn. Then showcase your work with a clean portfolio website. So remember, choose a template, add projects, design your homepage, create visuals, and publish. Welcome. Let's talk about using AI to build your portfolio. You can use ChatGPT to write project descriptions, and Leonardo AI can generate visuals for your projects. Try these out and see your work shine. If you want more tutorials about websites, AI tools, and content creation, subscribe for more videos like this.